Do you need large hands, long fingers to be able to play the piano? Let's talk about that. Hi, I'm Frank and I'm here to help you to become a successful musician. In this video, I want to address a question that I see sometimes, people wondering if they don't have large enough hands or if their fingers are too short to play the piano. Let's answer that straight away. You don't have too short hands, that's fine, you can play the piano, no problem, okay? So it's a common belief and a false belief that I just want to answer now, that you may need to be a good piano player to have particularly large hands with long, thin fingers. Well, of course, let's be honest, it helps, okay, if you can extend your fingers much. But is it that important? No. No, because maybe you will have some limitations for particular techniques, okay, but doesn't really matter in the end. Well, for instance, you you probably know, and you can look on YouTube, for instance, and I will try to put a link somewhere here. You can see children who are amazing. They are playing very well, and they are short, of course, with little hands, and they are playing very well. So as an adult, I mean, yeah, you probably have bigger hands. It's really not a problem. And also I wanted to talk about another example of a famous jazz pianist, a French pianist, Michel Petrucciani. I don't know if you heard about him. He died quite some time ago now, but he was absolutely amazing, and he was very short. His hand, I think, was regular size, but overall his body, his arms were very short, and he has a genetic disease with brittle bones. So, I mean, his body wasn't designed to play the piano at all, okay? But it was absolutely amazing. I will put a link, a video also here, because you need to discover this pianist, okay? It's really an inspiration for a musician. So these are just two examples that show you that it's okay if you have small fingers. You don't need long fingers to be able to play and to be a professional and do whatever you want on the piano. Just, yeah, you may have some limitations, but that's it. I mean, yeah, we all have different limitations because of our body, but it doesn't mean that we can't do something. There are people playing with their feet because they lost their arms. So yeah, you can do that even if your hands are small. Well, whatever, it's not a problem. You can play and do wonderful music in any case. So that was my message in this short video, just to kill a bit this false belief that I see a bit too often on the internet, for example. So I will leave you with that, and I will meet you in the next video.